Welcome back, class 10th. Now we'll continue areas of sector and segment of a circle. See students, in class 9th, if you remember, we have learnt, I am drawing diagram, see, center. If I draw two radii, and this area enclosed is known as sector. This area is also known as sector. So this is bigger, so major sector, and this is minor sector. Students, if you don't remember, no problem, but now you got it. Area enclosed by two radii and an arc between the ends of these radii on the circle. Again, now if I draw this thing, if I take center, I draw any chord. Chord divides circle in two parts. One part is this and one part is this. Yes or no? These are called segments. Segment, and this is also called segment. Yes or no? Means this is bigger in size, so major segment, and small, so minor segment. This we learned in class 9. If you remember, very good. Not remember, now you saw it. Now once again see, suppose now again I am drawing this circle. I drew. I have marked center and 2 points AB, radius OA, OB. Let us mark this point X. This angle is, say, theta. So this arc AXB can be written as AXB, this symbol of arc, okay? Read as arc AXB. So this theta is known as angle subtended by an arc. Which arc? AXB. Okay, remember this. Now again, see, I am drawing fourth diagram just to make very clear, so that we will learn and remember these terms, and formulae we are going to write directly, because proof of formulae is not in syllabus. Okay, see now, again I drew this circle. Okay, center, two radii, P, Q, OP, OQ. I am joining this point P and point Q. So this has become chord. Okay, now see, this chord is dividing circle in two parts. Now look here, I am marking this. What is this? Segment. Now here segment is part of this sector. This segment is part of sector. Which sector? OPXQ. OPXQ. Okay, students, please. OPXQO, if I write last O, OPXQO means region OPXQO includes this segment. Got it? And this angle is theta. So now we will write formulas of area of sector, area of segment, and also see this arc PXQ, arc AXB. If angle subtended by arc is known, at the center, then we can find length of this arc also, AXB or arc PXQ. Okay, so we are writing formulae, important formulae of this topic, which are required to know before to solve examples. See now, first I am writing, please. Number 1, area of sector is equal to, okay, that is what? Theta upon 360 pi r square. Can you tell me? See, after writing these formulae, we will see very important logic trick to remember this formulae. आपको अपने आप याद हो जाएगा. Number 2, I am taking area of segment. Look here. Area segment is part of your sector, no? Yes or no? So area of segment I am writing direct formula so that you will remember it. pi r square theta upon 360 minus r square sin theta upon 2 multiplied by cos theta upon 2. Okay, remember this. Again, third I am writing length of arc, that is equal to theta upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Okay, now see students, look here. Area of sector theta upon 360 is there, common, yes or no? Got it? Again see, pi r square है यहाँ पर, here theta upon 360 is there, 2 pi r. So length means arc, arc is part of the circle, so circumference is there. Sector is part of the circular region, means part of circle of area, so pi r square is there. So theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square sector के लिए, and theta upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r length के लिए. Okay, and area of segment is, if you know angle, you can take pi r square theta upon 360 minus r square multiplied by sin theta by 2. If theta is 60, then sin 30, cos 30 means 60 upon 2, 60 upon 2. Clear? Please remember these three formulae, all of you. Okay, fine. Now see, again about sector, sometime you may come across. Look here now. I am drawing this circle. I drew theta, this center O, A, B. I drew this chord AB. Okay, segment. So segment is part of sector. So you can see area of this segment is equal to, look here, you will just look here, understand, you will understand, please. This segment OA, suppose this XB, that is segment, shaded segment is part of the sector OAXBO. So area of segment can be written as sector, concerned sector minus a triangle. See, complete sector minus area of this triangle. So please remember it, area of sector minus area of triangle. You have to remember this. अभी आपको याद रहेगा ये, area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Will you remember this? You can use this formula also for finding area of segment. Clear? Please see this formulae. आपको ये formula याद ही रखना है. Area of segment is what बेटा? Area of sector minus area of triangle. Also pi r square theta upon 360 minus r square sin theta by 2 multiplied by cos theta by 2. So 2 is not divided by sin and cos. 2 is divided by only theta. 2 is divided by only theta. 2 is dividing only theta. Okay? Please remember this. Watch this video properly and just be ready for the numericals. I am going to continue after this formula. Now let us take simple example. I will take very simple example to understand. Okay, number 1. That is exercise 12.2. Example first. See. Find area of sector of circle with radius 6 cm. If angle of the sector is 60 degree. You are given radius equal to what? 6 cm. And angle of the sector means angle subtended by r. That is angle of sector. Equal to theta equal to 60 degree. So you are asked to find area of the sector. Area of sector what? Please write formula. You must be able to speak very clear in short time. Yes, theta upon 360. Sector is pi, part of circle, so pi r square. Okay, theta is known to you, 60 upon 360 multiplied by pi value not given. Write down pi value. Radius is what? 6 multiplied by 6. Clear? Now see, please. See, cancellation possible. Whatever you can cancel. So 6, 6, 36. Again this 6, 6 cancel. Then now we got 22 into 6. Please, 6 to 12, 13 upon 7. So if you just see 717, 6 remember, taken 2 become 62, become 62, 7 8 is 56.66, 7 8 is 56, so 62 minus 56, so 6, 7 8 is 56, again 4, 7 5 is 35, up to 2 places 18.85 square centimeter. Okay, students, if there is such calculation to divide, do the division up to 2 decimal places only. Okay, now I am taking example number C 2. Very interesting, it is fun. See now, look here. Example 2 first we will read. What is the area of quadrant of circle? Area of quadrant of circle. Come in, area of quadrant of circle. Hey, what is quadrant? Quadrant means, see, divided in 4 parts, no? If I am drawing circle, if I am drawing one diameter and other diameter making 90 degree at the center, we got circle divided in 4 equal parts. So these 4 equal parts, then each part is known as quadrant. Okay? Clear, children? Please remember it. Okay, where theta equal to 90 degree. Clear? So you got meaning of the quadrant. Quadrant is 1/4 of the area of the circle. So I am just reading example. What is that? Find area of the quadrant of circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. You are given to 2 pi r equal to 22 centimeter. Clear? Right? So for finding area of quadrant, you are knowing formula. Area of quadrant. Quadrant is sector. Yes or no? That is equal to theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. Clear? Now theta is 90 upon 360 multiplied by pi r square, means you need radius from this given information. Clear? Please find radius first. See, 2 pi r equal to 22. Therefore, if I put value of pi here, 2 multiplied by 2 upon 7 multiplied by r equal to 22. See, 22 cancelled. So 2 upon 7, just take it now. Radius equal to 7 upon 2, that is 3.5 centimeter. Clear? Okay, now put this value in this formula. You are getting it now. See, therefore, area of quadrant equal to 90 upon 360 multiplied by 2 upon 7 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 3.5, because radius square. Clear? See now, please cancel this. 9 4 is 36, cancelable. See, 7 and 3.5 cancelable. 7 5 35.5. Again you cancel by 2 2s 4 1 1. Right, children? Now please do this multiplication and find your answer. Okay, will you do this? Complete this. That will be square centimeter. Students, multiply this 11 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 3.5 divided by this 2. Okay, that's all. Please try your best. Please watch the video 2 times, see the examples, and be ready to watch next video. We are going to continue. See you.